Hello and welcome back to Longswitch Academy. This is our How To series where we talk about how to navigate through our platform. Before we start, if you haven't subscribed our channel yet, do subscribe it and press the bell icon to get all the latest updates. To visit our website, you can search longswitchacademy.com on your system's browser. Today we will see how to navigate the ebook section on our platform. As you can see, this is our home page. By clicking on the ebooks, you will be redirected to the ebook section where you can get all the free and paid ebooks. Here we have search bar where you can search ebooks. Let's search Salesforce. Now we are getting all the ebooks related to Salesforce. Now let's search Salesforce admin. Now we are getting all the ebooks related to Salesforce admin. Here we have category section that categorize books. Let's select Salesforce administration. Now we are getting all the ebooks related to Salesforce administration. By selecting over Salesforce development, we are getting all the books related to Salesforce development. Here, by clicking on the watch preview, you can get a brief of the ebooks. To unlock the full ebook, you need to download it. And before downloading, you need to log into the website. Let's download one book. By clicking on the download, you will be redirected to a payment section. Here, you can select your preferred payment option. As of now, I am selecting UPI payment. Now let's make a payment. I have made a payment. As you can see, it is confirming payment. You can see our payment is successful and our ebook is downloaded. Here, we have downloaded the ebook. As you can see, we have downloaded zip file. Let's unzip it. Let's open the unzipped file. As you can see, we have three files that contains license, PDF, and password. To open the PDF, we need password. So let's copy password from here. I have copied the password.
Let's paste the password and see we have unlocked the full ebook. Let's get back to the website. See, we have downloaded one ebook. You can also submit us a review from here. That's it. If you have any doubts, let us know in the comment section. Until then, keep learning and keep growing with Longswitch Academy. Thank you.